How to create a group in Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can download it from Play Store or App Store. Once you have downloaded the application, you first want to log into your account. Once you have logged into your account using all of your credentials, you want to tap on the chat icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now, this is where you can chat with your followers or your friends. If you want to chat with someone, you can simply open up any of the conversation and then simply write down a text here and then chat with them. However, when you do this, you're only chatting with one individual person. If you want to chat with a group of your friends, then for that, you will have to create a group chat. Now, the way you can create a group chat is to tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here you have the option of create group chat. Tap on that option. Now, once you do this, you want to select the people that you want to add in your group chat. Simply tap on this small circle next to that username, and then if you want to name your group, tap at the top and then type a name for your group chat. Once you do this, tap on the create group chat option at the bottom of your screen. Once you do that, as you can see, your group chat has been created. Now, if you want to send this invitation link of your group chat to someone, you can tap on this invitation link option. From here, you can either copy it or send it in Instagram, or also share it using any other application. Now you can simply type down any text, and this is how you can start chatting in your group chat. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.